The ARCCAPTAIN 250A 6-in-1 welder is a versatile machine that caters to various welding needs, including Gas MIG, Flux Core MIG, lift TIG, MMA, spot and spool gun operations. Equipped with a digital MCU and high-integrity circuit design, this welder enhances stability and performance, making it reliable for different welding projects. The machine's synergic control feature automatically adjusts the current and wire feeding speed, simplifying the process for beginners while still offering manual settings for professionals. With a complete set of accessories included, users can start welding immediately after unboxing, ensuring convenience and efficiency. Safety is a priority with the ARCCAPTAIN 250A, as it undergoes rigorous testing and incorporates multiple protection features to ensure user safety in harsh conditions. This welder is designed to handle various materials such as mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, making it a suitable choice for both hobbyists and professionals.